We have a slight variance in the water flow on the east side.
Acknowledged. Increasing pressure by 5 pascals.
Data stream shows optimal speed. Yes, maintain the current settings for the camel hides.
The elasticity is excellent here. What about the grain? It's consistent across the hide. Very good. We can approve this one for tanning.
These high-speed industrial washing machines utilize controlled water jets to thoroughly cleanse the Arabic camel hides, ensuring all residues are removed. Here we see the freshly rinsed Arabic camel hide, the water droplets clinging to the hydrated fibers.
And there is the breaking point.
Maximum tensile strength reached at 245 newtons.
The pH levels are stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. The dosage rate is holding steady at 200 liters per minute.
This section here has a slight scar. Right. Yes, we cannot use that for the luxury grade. Mark this area here.
Here in the climate-controlled chambers, temperature and humidity are precisely regulated, ensuring the perfect conditioning of the Arabic camel hide.
Moisture levels are stable on the left side.
Noted. The current setting is efficient.
Precision spray systems create a perfectly even finish as robotic conveyors transport the Arabic camel hides under bright industrial lighting. Massive heated drying tunnels carefully cure the finished Arabic camel hide, where computer-controlled airflow and temperature ensure flawless surface consistency.
The finish here is excellent, very smooth. Yeah.
But check the grain preservation on this side.
Massive automated nesting software projects optimal cutting layouts directly onto every Arabic camel hide, minimizing waste while maximizing usable leather for luxury jackets.
Fit is good. Seams are aligned. What do you think?
It meets all the standards.
There is a slight variation in the die lot right here. I see it. I'll make a note on the tablet before it rotates again. We're reaching the peak threshold now.
Reading steady at 500 newtons. The seam integrity is confirmed.
We rigorously test every component, ensuring the smooth operation and long-term reliability of our premium brass hardware and zippers.
The color consistency across all three is identical.
Agreed. The craftsmanship is excellent.
pallet 72 Alpha is secure. Confirmed on the manifest. That seals this shipment. Manifest confirmed for the Dubai shipment.
All 20 pallets are accounted for. We can seal the truck. Crafted from the finest Arabic camel hide, this jacket represents the pinnacle of timeless elegance and refined luxury.